At 10:16 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time on July 28th, an earthquake with preliminary magnitude.
Trying to go for a jog, but there's a tsunami warning.
Southeast of Chignik, Alaska. Estimated arrival times for the first in a series of tsunami waves are as follows in Alaska Daylight Time. Sandpoint, Alaska on July 28th at 10:55 p.m. Alaska on July 28th at 11:09 p.m. Western Prince William Sound, Kodiak Island, Alaska Peninsula, and Eastern Aleutians. If you are located in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground.
They could turn the siren off. The whole island can hear the siren.
Yeah, that siren is loud. Oh, we just had an earthquake here in Sandpoint.
All the boats are rocking.
Yep. Heard him. Tsunami warning.
Repeat, tsunami warning.
Okay.
The National Weather Service has
The
issued a
earthquake was
tsunami
pretty
warning
small.
for the Western Kenai Peninsula, Western Prince William Sound,
I don't see anybody else
Kodiak
going.
Island, Alaska Peninsula, and Eastern
Maybe.
Aleutians.
I don't know.
If you are located in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground.
Should we go to higher ground?
p.m. Alaska Daylight Time on July 28th, an earthquake with preliminary magnitude of 8.1 occurred 60 miles southeast of
8.1.
Chignik, Alaska.
Okay, well all the boats are heading out to the bay. Got 8.1 magnitude earthquake. And water line. Oh yeah, there's a lot more boat coming out. Yep. Go to safer area. You can hear the sirens.